pinacol pinacalone rearrangement. The name pinacol comes from this compound OH, CH3 and OH. That is, this compound is commonly called as pinacol. This pinacol on treatment with acid rearranges to give this compound, which is commonly called as pinacalone. So the name reaction pinacol pinacalone comes from this reaction. This pinacol on treatment with acid gives pinacalone, and such reaction is called as pinacol pinacalone rearrangement. The basic concept behind the pinacol pinacalone rearrangement is, if this is 1,2-diol, this is the position of OH, not the IUPAC name. This is 1,2-diol, 1,2-diol. On treatment with any acid, rearranges to give aldehyde or ketones. Rearranges to give aldehyde or ketone. So substrate is 1,2-diol, reagent is acid, and product is aldehyde or ketone. Such reaction is called as pinacol pinacalone rearrangement or pinacol pinacalone rearrangement type reaction. If we carefully analyze the mechanism of such reaction, this pinacol, when treated with acid, the oxygen lone pair attack over this position, loses water molecule, first form carbocation, This carbocation is stabilized by 6 hyperconjugation and 3 inductive effect. But when this methyl group shifted from this position to this position, a new carbocation is generated which have stability due to resonance. This carbocation is stabilized by resonance and 2 inductive effect along with 3 hyperconjugation. So this is less stable carbocation, and this carbocation is the most stable carbocation. So this rearrangement occur for stability factor. After bonding with lone pair, a new structure is generated. Then proton goes out and final product will be CH3, CO, CH3, CH3 and CH3. So this compound is pinacol. On treatment with acid rearranges to give pinacalone. This reaction is called as pinacol pinacalone rearrangement. The most important part of this pinacol pinacalone rearrangement is tertiary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation rearranges to secondary carbocation. Tertiary carbocation rearranges to secondary carbocation. So it is important that never remember that primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary. Sometimes tertiary carbocation may rearrange to secondary or primary carbocation. The important factor for any rearrangement of carbocation is less stable carbocation to most stable carbocation. Most stable carbocation may be primary, may be secondary. If resonance stability is provided for carbocation, so it must be more stable in comparison to inductive effect and hyperconjugation. So tertiary may also be arranged to secondary carbocation. If this 1,2-diol, some other examples are also known where similar pinacol pinacalone rearrangement are possible. If this particular molecule can be used, and if we release this halogen, same carbocation will be generated. So concept follows same way. If we use this type of molecule also, if we release this NH2, then also same carbocation is formed and rearrangement proceed via same mechanism. To release this halogen, we used silver nitrate. Okay, and to release this NH2, we use NaNO2 HCl. Okay, this reagent release NH2 group and this reagent release X in the form of halide, and both give same carbocation, so mechanism proceed by same way and form the pinacolone.